In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently remove unwanted blank pages in a Microsoft Word document. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who occasionally uses Word, understanding how to manage and modify the formatting of your document can greatly enhance your workflow. Today's tip, while simple, can save you some frustration the next time you're cleaning up a document. To begin, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Word file. If it's not already open, navigate to where the document is saved on your computer and double-click to launch Word with your file ready to go. This process is pretty standard if you're familiar with Word, but if you're new, it's basically like opening any file on your computer. Once you've got your document open, the next step is to scroll down to the last blank page. Sometimes Word will add this extra page, and while it doesn't typically print, it can be annoying to see it there when you're viewing the document electronically. Scrolling with your mouse or using the page down key can quickly get you to the end of your document. Take a moment to navigate to this blank page so you're set up for the next move. Now, when you're on that blank page, you'll want to click anywhere on the page. What this does is simply ensure that your cursor is active on this page, letting Word know that this is where you want to make changes. This step is essential because it ensures the deletion step that follows is directed at this specific page. With your cursor placed on the blank page, this is where a simple keyboard shortcut comes into play. You'll want to use Ctrl plus Backspace. Holding down the Ctrl key while pressing Backspace works a bit differently than just pressing Backspace alone. With this combination, you're telling Word to delete an entire section or line of text, rather than just a single character or space. In the case of a blank page, this shortcut helps efficiently remove any invisible formatting or paragraph marks that might be causing the unwanted page. After pressing Ctrl plus Backspace, the blank page should disappear, leaving you with a cleaner, more concise document. This technique is handy because oftentimes the page isn't blank due to visible content, but rather due to extra formatting that isn't immediately apparent. Removing these pages not only helps streamline your document, but also makes it look more professional if you're sharing it with others. And there you have it, you're all done. By removing that extra page, you've tidied up your document, ensuring that it looks just the way you want it. This simple trick is one that's useful across a range of scenarios, from creating polished school assignments to ensuring your business documents appear as professional as possible. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tricks on our channel.